Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we will be learning about Uart. We will be learning about introduction to Uart, specification of Uart, block diagram of Uart, working of Uart, and interfacing of Uart model. What is Uart? The Uart is Universal Asynchronous Transmitter and Receiver. It is an inbuilt IC within a microcontroller, but not like a communication protocol. The main function of UART is to serial data communicate. In UART, the communication between two devices can be done in two ways, namely the serial data communication and the parallel data communication. Disadvantages of UART. The data frame is limited to 9 bits. The baud rate of the receiving and the transmitting UAT must be within 10%. This diagram shows how two devices communicate with each other. Block diagram of UART and working of UART. Here is the block diagram of UART. The UART block diagram consists of two components, namely the transmitter and the receiver. The transmitter section includes three blocks, namely the transmit hold register, the shift register, and also control logic. Likewise, the receiver section includes a receive hold register, shift register, and a control logic. These two sections are commonly provided by a baud rate generator. This generator is used for generating the speed when the transmitter section and the receiver section has to transmit or receive the data. The hold register in the transmitter comprises the data bytes to be transmitted. The shift register in the transmitter and the receiver move the bytes to the right or left till a byte of the data is transmitted or received. A read or write control logic is used for telling when to read or write. The baud rate generator among the transmitter and the receiver generates the speed from 110 Bps to 23,400 Bps. Advantages of UART are full duplex transmission of data can be achieved with only two wires. Clock or timing signal are not required. Integrated error checking is ensured using parity bits. Pros of UART. UART is a widely used method. If both sides are set up for structural data change, it can happen. They possess a parity bit in order to check the error in data packets. To know the working of UART, you need to understand the basic functionality of serial communication. In short, the transmitter and the receiver use start bit, stop bit, and timing parameters to synchronize with each other. The original data is in parallel form. For example, we have 4-bit data. To convert it into serial form, we need a parallel to serial converter. Generally, DC flip-flops are used. So now we are going to see interfacing of UART with ARM controller. UART is an inbuilt IC within a microcontroller. It is commonly used in hardware module for serial communication. UART's simplicity and long life cycle make them an attractive solution for many types of applications. Here we conclude our video, and for more video do check out our channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.